Hey, what's up internet, and welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We are here on our second port of call on our 7-day Eastern Caribbean Carnival Celebration cruise right behind me. We're about to head out, explore the city, see everything it has to offer, so how about we go get things started? Alright, we took a short Uber ride over to the San Juan National Historic Site. Right in front of me, we have one of the historic forts here in San Juan. I gotta say, it looked absolutely beautiful. Also, we got the ocean and this beautiful view right over here. Today's definitely a unique day. We actually don't have an organized tour plan. Instead, we're going to be exploring, checking out some of the hot spots, and just kind of walking around the area. There's a lot kind of close to the port area here in San Juan. Very easy to get to. We have made our way in front of Castillo San Felipe del Morro. This is a massive fort that guards the San Juan harbor. Now, this fort was actually built by Spain over the span of 250 years. It's currently operated by the National Park Service, and you can actually head on in. It is a cost of about $10 per person. So how about we go head on in and see what this historical site has to offer. Starting off inside, we're here in the main plaza area. So this is where soldiers would kind of stand and get ready. And up above me, we got 3 of the flags, including the Puerto Rico flag as well as the US flag up there. Walk down the stairs now to the back side of the port. Now this here is where a lot of the cannons would be stationed during the Spanish military time, and then later when the US had this for World War II, a lot of guns would be stationed here on this platform, which is overlooking the sea, and you can see this gorgeous blue ocean scenery. I feel like I keep pointing out the ocean, but it's just so gorgeous. I mean, you can just take a look. You have a full view of just kind of the coastline here. The coastal area, of course, you got the fort right here behind us. Walked on up to the 6th and top floor of the fort. This is where the land defense area is. Also, I don't know if you could tell, it was very sunny when we first got here, and now it seems to be raining a bit, and as you can tell, I am not prepared for this whatsoever, but I'm gonna walk over here, brave the rain. Oh, this camera should not be getting wet. It was so sunny literally just like 30 minutes ago. Oh, it's really coming down now. But I just want to show you kind of this view of Old San Juan. We are now making our way over to the second location as part of the historical national site, which is Castillo San Cristóbal. It's just a short Uber ride down the road. It's actually pretty close to where our cruise port is. So let's head on over. Also, it's included with the $10 that we already paid to get in here. So let's go head on over there. All right, a bit of traffic getting to the second location, but we have made it now to Castillo San Cristóbal. We are walking up the ramp, and just off in the distance, where is it here? You can see Carnival Celebration, in addition to a couple other ships. We have Holland America and Norwegian Epic cruise down off there in the distance. So just a few blocks down from where we are currently located. So you can actually like walk over from the cruise port over here, just about 0.4 miles. Made it up now to the observation deck on the top floor, and you can see again all the ships in the background at a higher vantage point. And of course we have San Juan here off in the distance, a lot of traffic there. And then we got the ocean. Ooh, it is quite the steep walkway to go up or down up here on the top level, and off in the distance, very far down at the end of the coastline, you can see the other fort that we just came from, and beautiful waves slamming up against the coast. And now thankfully the clear blue skies are out, no more rain from what I've seen, so the views here unmatched. All right, we are now heading out from Castillo San Cristóbal, and I gotta say it was such a beautiful place to visit. So many gorgeous views from up atop, and I mean, to see both of these historic sites was truly breathtaking, and I definitely learned a lot about just the history behind San Juan, Puerto Rico. Certainly a must-do, and very close to the cruise port. We literally just took an Uber each way, so that was really cool. Back now on Carnival Celebration, and it is dinner time. And for dinner tonight, we have a very specialty restaurant that we are trying now. This is Chibang. This is the Chinese and Mexican fusion restaurant, and fun fact, it's actually complimentary for your first visit. It is an $8 charge after your first visit for dinner, and we just finished eating. I gotta say, that was probably one of my favorite dinner meals that we've had here on the ship. For my appetizer, I got the pot stickers along with this Mandarin honey crunch salad, And for my main course, oh my god, this was so good. I got the sweet and sour shrimp, and for the sides I got some Hakka noodles, which was so good as well, along with this broccoli, which was stir fried with ginger, and a garlic glaze. I was already in a food coma after those first 2 courses, but still got dessert. And for dessert, I got this crema catalana, which was kind of like this like creme brulee style dessert. All in all, really solid meal. Definitely a must try. I mean, I love that here on Carnival Celebration. You got 2 specialty restaurant complimentary options with Cucina del Capitano, which we had last night, and then of course Chibang. Make sure to check it. You gotta try it. It's complimentary. It's free. Definitely one of my favorite dinner meals of the cruise so far. All right, it is later in the evening and the 80s rock and glow party is about to kick off. I always love a good 80s party on a cruise. I can hear the 80s music out here in the pool deck. So let's go head out to the Lido deck and get this 80s celebration started. You make this great, drinking young and all over the place. Say we will rock you. What a fun 80s rock and glow party that was. Like I said, I'm always a big fan of an 80s party on a cruise ship. Carnival does all of their parties so big, so grand. Definitely a great time. And with that brings us to the end of this day here on Carnival Celebration and our time over in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Thank you so much for joining us. Of course, we got a whole lot more coming up tomorrow. We will be over in St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. We're about halfway through our cruise, 7-day cruise here on Carnival Celebration. So make sure to watch the videos I've uploaded and stay tuned for all the more fun to be had here on Carnival Celebration. We still have a lot to check out. I'm so looking forward to all the many more things to come. Of course, if you did like this video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below, and I will see you next time from Carnival Celebration and St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands.